Welcome to the second video lesson for today. In this video, you will learn to solve equations using angles. So let's start with some review problems. First, find two pairs of adjacent angles and two pairs of vertical angles in the figure. So the first problem, you have to find adjacent angles and vertical angles. So if we start with any of these, I'm going to start with that one, the angle VWZ. What's an angle that's adjacent to angle VWZ? Angle that's next to it, I can choose this one, and I can say that's angle VWX. So angle VWZ and VWX are adjacent angles. Another pair. We can start still VWZ, and we can say this one is also adjacent, so it's angle ZWY. So angle VWZ is adjacent to ZWY. They're also adjacent to each other. Next, we got to figure out two pairs of vertical angles. So, if we start with the same ones, angle VWZ, and what's an angle that's opposite to it? This one, angle XWY, are vertical angles. We can also say this one and this one, they're vertical, so angle VWX and angle ZWY are vertical angles. Now, you'll try the second one, but I'm going to give you just one pair of each. I can say that these two angles are next to each other, so angle PJN and angle PJQ are adjacent angles. And I'm going to give you one pair vertical. I can say this, I'm going to start with angle PJN, same one. So let's see, an angle that's opposite will be this one, angle L. Our last review problem is to find whether angles are complementary, supplementary, or neither. So the first problem, we have a 26 degree and 64 degrees. To find whether they are complementary, supplementary, or neither, we have to add the angles together. 24 plus 64 gives you 90 degrees. If it's 90 degrees, then it's complementary. And then this one, 44 degrees plus 136 degrees gives you 180 degrees. So that's supplementary. Last one, if you have 70 degrees plus 19 degrees, that's 89 degrees. And we don't have a name for that. That's not complementary. That's not 90 degrees. That's not 180 degrees. So this one is neither. Okay, look at the first problem and the second problem. The first one has a straight line. The second one has a right angle. We know that right angles means 90 degrees. So this is complementary. Straight line has to be 180 degrees, so that's supplementary. Now we have to find what x is equal to. If supplementary means that angles add up to 180 degrees, then our equation will be 4x plus 5 plus 41 is equal to 180. Our first step was to see if we can simplify. I know that 5 and 41 can be added together. And 5 plus 41 is 46, so I have 4x plus 46 is equal to 180. I can subtract 46 both sides. And I have 4x is equal to 180 minus 46 is 134. And I will divide 4 both sides. And I have x is equal to 37. And it should be 37 degrees. Next one. This one, complementary angles mean that they add up to 90 degrees. So again, I'm going to create an equation by adding both angles together. 2x minus 3 is the first one. I'm going to add the second one, which is x. And this time, this will equal to 90 degrees. Then we notice that 2x and x can be added together. So I have 3x minus 3 is equal to 90. Then I can add 3 both sides. I have 3x is equal to 90 plus 3, that's 93. And I will divide 3 both sides. So x is equal to 31, and it'll be 31 degrees.